Here's how to insert an image inside a cell in Google Sheets instead of floating above it. Use the first method to insert a single image, or the second method to insert multiple images in one click. Select the cell where you want to insert the image. Click Insert in the top menu, hover over Image, then choose Insert Image in Cell. Choose your source. Upload from your computer or URL, or Google Drive. Select the image, then click Open. The image appears inside the cell and resizes to fit. You'll need to add image details manually here, but the second method adds them automatically. To adjust the size, resize the row height or column width. If you paste an image directly, it floats over cells by default. To fix this, click the image, open the three-dot menu, and choose Put Image in selected cell. This works for a few images, but for bulk insertion in Sheets and uploading to Drive, there's a faster method. Click the link in the description to install Drive Explorer Pro. Refresh your Google Sheet, go to Extensions, hover over Drive Explorer Pro, and click Open Drive Explorer. The side panel will open on the right. First, let's configure the default settings for displaying images. Click the List Files tab. Choose where the listing should start, the selected cell or below existing data. Check the file attributes you need, like name, size, URL, and more. And check the Image Preview to display images in the sheet. To adjust the preview cell size for images, go to the Settings tab. In the Image Settings section, check Resize Image Preview Cells and set your desired cell size. This displays image thumbnails inside your sheet. If you want to reuse these settings every time, click Save Selected Settings as Default. Now go to the Upload Files tab before uploading. Set your destination, Drive folder. Click Change under Default Google Drive folder. Choose your folder and click Select. Now your images will be uploaded exactly where you want. No need to move them later. Drag and drop your images into the box, or click to select images from your computer. You can upload multiple images at once, saving time on bulk uploads. Select Show Preview of Selected Files to visually confirm your images before uploading. And click Upload Files to Drive and List in Sheets. The images will appear in your sheet with the selected attributes, like Image Preview, File Name linked to URL, and Direct Download link, added to the sheet. In one click, your images are uploaded to Drive and automatically listed in your sheet. Now you can preview images, open them, share links, or download them, all directly from your sheet. You can also list existing images from Google Drive into Google Sheets using the List Files tab. That's it. Your images are now inserted inside cells in Google Sheets. Like this video and subscribe for more quick and useful tutorials.